Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. I'm Jami Gordon. I help people with selling and buying homes in Cedar Rapids, Iowa City and the surrounding areas. We're going to continue on with these video series called Embrace Your Space. My family is going to be moving, so we are hopping from room to room and getting things ready so that our house will sparkle. So this series is not only for somebody that's moving, but also somebody that is just simply maybe cleaning their space and doing some organizing, just to get a few different tips. We're going to start from the top on down. So from the top, we're going to be looking at lighting. So lighting, make sure that first of all your lights are the same type. I don't know if you can see very well in this video, but this is a daylight, and these two are soft lights. So make sure that you have them all the same, and then also make sure that all the bulbs are good. A lot of times when I'm showing a house, there will be a lot of missing bulbs, and that just doesn't make your house show very well. Next is to clean. Start up and move your way down. So this vent fan was really nasty, and I did get it cleaned, but it's already showing some dust bunnies. So keep those vent fans clean, and then dust your lights, and then your shelving, and all the way down to your toilet, your sinks, your shower. Give everything a really good scrubbing, and make it smell, it'll just make it smell so much better and just make it sparkle. Next is to declutter. So you'll notice that there's quite a few items on this shelf, but it's really not horrible. I actually did take a lot of things down. I would say that this is okay for when your property is being shown, but for pictures, I would definitely remove a lot more because it just looks too much. But you're going to be living in your house, so I do think there's a big difference between show ready versus picture ready, because selling your house is stressful enough, so you need to be able to live in it and not have to worry about moving things around so much, and people are completely okay with that. So now we're going to move down to underneath the sink. So I did a little organizing down here. I mean, it's not perfect, but I added some contact paper and just made things look a little bit nicer. You will want to, if you have lots of stuff down here, just go ahead and remove it. And also when I talk about cleaning, in your shower specifically, or your bath, usually this big tote of stuff is sitting there because we share our shower with our boys. Our boys love this shower, and we give in to them all the time. So move this down. So if you have your items in a tote, you can easily move it to the side so that when people walk in, they're able to see that spot that you kind of want to highlight. I mean, this is kind of a pretty little bench that my husband built. Matches the flooring. So if you want to highlight a spot, make sure that there's not something that's blocking that view. Finally, make sure that you're fixing things that need to be fixed. If you have a dripping sink, if your toilet is running, if there's a leak underneath your sink, make sure that those things are fixed so that that it doesn't raise any red flags. So I hope you learned a thing or two as we looked through my bathroom space. It's a very personal space, so please don't judge it. And that you're able to better embrace your bathroom space. If you have any tips, any types of tips on staging a bathroom or even cleaning a bathroom, if there's a good cleaning tip that I have is utilizing they are for denture cleaners. So those little tablets that you put into clean dentures, they work awesome like to clean toilets as well. So if you have any cleaning tips or anything that would help other people, please comment below. And I hope that you have a blessed day. Thanks for joining.